What's the chance we pull into this drive-thru and get Baja Blast?
100%. 100%. Yeah, so we're eating East Side Deli today.
Mm-hmm.
With the recorder. We have to.
What?
We have to do that with the recording.
Oh, yeah.
We forgot to start the recording. So we're fucking done.
This is gonna be the most pickle bite ever. Look at those pickles.
Oh, yeah.
Ooh. Mm. Pickle. Ugh. Bit too much pickle on that bite.
There's never too much pickle, brother. I had a bit too much bread on that bite.
Are you being serious?
A little bit. It was like all bread.
I wish I made. I want my bites to be 50% bread.
I'm gonna get this toasted next time.
I'm
gonna get it toasted next time.
probably cold.
You just lick that shit?
It was like a saliva rope connecting those two, and it was like spreading apart, and I was like, enough with that.
Yeah, none of that.
I think they used to be bigger.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
When was the last time you had them?
No, I've had it like recently, but like I remember a while ago. They used to be like too big to fit my mouth around. Like they used to be huge.
Oh, maybe you just grew up.
It wasn't 10 years ago. It was like a year ago, maybe. So when are we posting episode 0 of Hurricane Hunters?
Tonight. Yeah, Beppy is necessary with this.
Yeah.
Should have gotten the Baja Blast first. That's fine. Also a napkin. You believe they didn't offer us napkins?
There was napkins in front of the window.
Oh, fuck. That's good, actually.
Mm-hmm.
Can order without.
I'll pay for the drinks. I want 2. One's going in my fridge.
So 3 Baja Blast. You said you were gonna pay for it. Okay. This is gonna fucking fall, by the way. This is gonna be so embarrassing.
What? They're not gonna say it.
Thanks.
Those fucking freaks.
Sorry, guys.
Sorry, gang.
Oh, copyright. Fuck. So 3 large bottles. Okay.
Yeah.
Have your card?
I have Apple Pen.
Well,
I'll just use my phone.
then I drop it out the window. Then I have to open the door. I bread in my mouth.
You fucking dick.
Why'd you fucking do that? I need that.
Just for fun.
It's actually really fun. It's gonna ask me, "Hi, are you gonna be using your phone to check in?" And then it's gonna wait. I try to ignore it, but it's
What are
so
you talking about?
silent.
What?
There's like an automated voice that says like, "Hi, are you using the mobile app to check in?"
Really?
Yeah.
I didn't know
And
that.
then I try and like wait and ignore it. It never stops until I say no, or like,
So
or it's just
say
like
no.
silent. Yeah, but it's so embarrassing because I know they can fucking hear me.
No. No.
Such
It's
a
more
beta
accurate.
part. You fucking bitch.
It's gonna be so funny when you voice crack.
It's gonna be so funny when they look directly into the camera, and we look fucking dumb as hell.
No, they're not.
Okay. You were gonna start.
I really hope. I really hope it does. Get that bread out your butt.
Sorry about that. Wait, what can I get started for you?
Can I get 3 large Baja Blasts?
I'm so sorry. What was that?
Can I get 3 large Baja Blasts?
3 large Baja Blast.
Yeah.
Anything else for you?
No, that'll be it.
All right, go ahead, come forward.
Okay, thank you.
There we go.
Sorry. Get your fucking phone ready.
It literally takes 2 seconds.
I'm scared.
Literally
It's
2
fucking
seconds.
Chase. It's gonna be like Devin Bostic, but you're social in here, and I don't know it. Oh, they know your name now. Fuck. If this falls when I go and you have to fix it.
I'm not fixing it if that happens. I'm not fixing it. Are you okay?
There's fucking bread everywhere. There's so much bread.
I fucking love it. That's my favorite part.
It needs to be cooked. It has to be cooked.
Why?
mouth. They cannot fucking hear us. The engine is gonna be so loud.
It's not. It's not. It's not.
Also, I don't know who they is. This is never getting.
No, this is getting dropped tonight alongside episode 0.
Should we?
Yeah, like actually. We should make that channel.
Like we actually just post a 40-minute.
Yeah, I'm being so serious. The slow-mo. The episode 0.
Okay. Is the channel name Hurricane Hubert?
No shit.
Like
That's not
unedited? Is it just a 40?
Yeah. Will this Honda Fit order the entire menu? Should we show the license plate of this car? Yeah.
She's gonna fucking see it. She's gonna see it. I'm fucking scared. I'm so scared.
Oh, it's over. It's over. It's over. It literally takes 2 seconds for me to have it.
It's gonna fall.
I hope it does. I fucking hope it does.
Hello.
Is the Baja Blast?
Yeah.
You don't have to.
Thank you. You too. Yes. Take your 3 straws. This is gonna fall, by the way, when I go off this fucking phone. No way. Oh my god. It's gonna fall in this treacherous road. That's so elementary school shit. Yeah, it is. You know the thing? You know the thing? You know the thing?
Fucking litterer.
Alright. Thanks for
Yeah!
watching.
So are you keeping this with you?
Yeah. Is this episode 1? Because
Yeah.
it's 0?
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. We couldn't find the hurricane.
We were really close.
Is that it?
No, we missed it.
We'll see you in episode
We'll
1
get it
and a
next
half.
time. We'll get it next time. In 1.25.
Yeah.